Good morning, all of you, dear student. I am NK Jha from Shanti Niketan at Shantipuri, Motihari. I hope that you be fine at your home. Dear student, in previous lecture 28-29, you have already read lesson 3. Today I would like to say that today I am going to teach you lesson 4, Trapped. Writer of this lesson, Sigrun Srivastav. Dear student, first of all, we will know about Sigrun Srivastav. Sigrun Srivastav is an Indian author of German origin. She is a multifaceted artist, a writer, a sculptor, and an illustrator. As a writer, she has written over 25 books for children of all ages. Okay. Now we will know about word meaning of this lesson. First, padded, it means walked. Knotted, it means knots. Glare, strong or bright light. Mighty, large and impressive. Snarled, growled, grana. Kissed, stopped. Dear student, now we will know about this chapter. In this chapter, a bear finds himself in danger after the enters a village. एक भालू है जो एक गांव में इंटर करता है और वो अपने आप को खतरे में महसूस करता है, खतरे में पड़ जाता है. Now we will learn this chapter. It says that the bear padded down the village path and stopped to sniff the air. The village lay sleeping in the hot afternoon sun. The bear walked on. He was young and chubby. Blades of grass lay knotted on his soft, shining black hair. When he arrived at an open gate, he peeped into a courtyard. He saw a girl sat near a cot, scrubbing a brass plate. With us and shine. The polished plate sparkled in the midday sun. The glare hit the bear's eyes. He purred. The girl looked up. The dish fell from her hands and she shrieked, Bhalu. When a bear enters a village, he saw a girl. She has a brass plate in her hand. He scrubbed this plate us by us and shined. The sparkling midday light reflect the bear's eyes, and the bear purred in frightened. When the girl see the sound of bear, she also frightened and shrieked, भालू. वो जोर से आवाज लगाती है डरते हुए. What noise was that? The young bear was puzzled. She was frightened. They drew back a step or two, but then there was a loud noise that made him really scared. Then the bear heard noise and he was puzzled to hear the noise because many dogs barking at him from everywhere, far and near. Suddenly the young animal could smell danger. अचानक उसको खतरे की पहचान हुई, खतरे का सुगंध आया. He turned towards the road that led through the fields back in the forest, but it was too late. तब तक काफी देर हो चुकी थी. The road was not safe. It was full of humans. Their hunting cries rang in the air. The bear ran as fast as he could over open drains and a garbage dump, but the hunters pressed in on him through a cloud of dust. He saw them coming towards him, a gang of children with raised stick and close on their heels were the dogs. Get him, get him, get him. The bear did not understand the cries, but the wild barking of dogs terrified him. He turned and ran blindly into the next lane and the next, and then into another. वह एक लेन में दौड़ता है, फिर दूसरे में, फिर तीसरे में. वो बहुत घबराया, बहुत डरा हुआ है. But his efforts were in vain. Confused with terror, he lost his way. He was very confused with terror, and the bear lost his way. वो अपना रास्ता खो जाता है. Now he was angry. He rushed down a lane that led into a square. The animal did not know that the square led now here. The square was walled in on all four sides. In the middle of it was an old dry well. in this square, a dry well. There, the bear got to the well in a few laps and looked around. There was no place to hide. He was trapped. उसको छुपने की जगह नहीं मिलती है और वह ट्रैप हो जाता है. The animal now turned round to face the children and the dogs. The children began to throw stones at him, and he was hit first on his shoulder, then on his back. The dogs dug their teeth into his hind legs, but the bear shocked himself free and hit them with a paw. And with one mighty leap, he disappeared into the dark depth of the well. The children bent over the rim of the well and throw stones at bears who was in the well. The bear, angry and terrified, snarled from below. नीचे से गुर्राता है. This went on for some time. Then there was sudden, the stones stopped falling and the shots ceased. जो शोरगुल हो रहे थे वो अचानक बंद हो जाता है. The wounded and frightened bear looked up. When the noise, the stones throwing at him was stopped, the bear surprised in the well and looked up. A single human face bent down from the top, and the bear saw that a single face bent down on the rim of the well. The bear it was the face of a girl. The bear did not know that, but he heard the girl's kind and gentle voice and felt that this was a friend. Bear heard the voice of this girl who was bent down of the rim of the well. His voice was very gentle, soft, kindness. There was something in her voice that comforted him. So he understood that she was his friend. Then he stopped snarling. Okay? Thank you.